No, they both were 17.
My name is Katie Bennett Roll. I'm the Secretary of Finger Lakes Zero Waste Coalition Incorporated, based in Geneva. We've been fighting these dumps for the last approaching a decade. And people are getting angry. And we don't blame you.
They had a lot of landfills in Brooklyn and Staten Island and all over New York City when I was growing up. They're all gone now. Where are they sending their trash? They're sending it up to us. 30 years is enough. We don't need 20 more areas. We have to work together.
The largest landfill in New York State. They deposit, or they are permitted for 1.9 million tons per year. It's terrible. And maybe Hobart and William Smith is having some visitors that are considering applying and attending Hobart and William Smith. Maybe some people are enjoying the lakefront and the smell wafts over these events. What do you think you're doing? More than spoiling these experiences, you're taking dollars out of a vibrant economic future we have been building for the last 15 to 20 years. Yeah. Government officials in Western New York have been asleep at the wheel at work.
I think today's rally was really successful. I think we had over 300 people, and it was a lot of communities coming together. So we are Seneca Lake, concerned citizens of Waterloo, and Seneca Falls, Zero Waste, all there because industry has threatened our region again. So we are all joining together and forming this alliance of environmentalists to fight back.